How do you worship yourself, right?
Yeah.
Like, how can he say the Father is greater than I if they're both God?
Yeah.
Right? How can God be all-knowing and in the Bible, Jesus doesn't know the hour, right? So,
Are we being recorded?
I'm going to be recorded. We'll blur you if you like. But we have, in the Bible, for example, Jesus calls himself a prophet, right? He says, I must travel today and tomorrow because it's not befitting for a prophet to perish outside of Jerusalem. And if you look at the followers of Jesus, repeatedly they call him a prophet as well, right? For example, the blind man that was cured, he said to the blind man, what do you say about him? He opened my eyes. To open your eyes. So what do you say about him? He said he is a prophet. Right? So Jesus, even in the Bible, was a prophet of God. But what happened is people started calling him the Son of God, not realizing that in other languages, son is a term of endearment. Like, for example, like I don't know if you speak Spanish or not, right?
Yeah.
But in Spanish, you may say, mijo, let me talk to you, right?
Yeah.
But you don't mean literally that's your son. It's just being nice, right? Like when you see a Catholic priest, you say, forgive me, Father, for I have sinned.
Yeah.
But you don't mean that he's married to your mom, right? So Jesus is a prophet. He worships God. Even he's called the servant of God in the Bible itself, right? So when we look at the Bible, Jesus is a mediator or a messenger, right? For there's only one God, and the mediator between God and men, not a God himself or the Son of God, but a mediator, a messenger, which is the Christ, who is Jesus, right? Even in the Bible. Go ahead.
The Christ who is Jesus. So that means that Jesus is the one that came as a prophet. You're still
Yes.
waiting for Jesus, the Christ.
No, we believe he is the Messiah, the messenger, the Christ that was to come as a messenger from God. We believe that,
Okay,
right?
yeah.
But we don't think he is God. And Jesus,
Okay.
Jesus worshiped him. But imagine Jesus worshipped God, right? So if he's God, who's he worshiping? You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, how do you worship yourself, right?
Yeah.
Like, how can he say the Father is greater than I if they're both God?
Yeah.
Right? How can God be all-knowing and in the Bible, Jesus doesn't know the hour, right? So, I mean, if you look at...
Is there a lot of differences between like the Quran and the actual Bible?
Kind of, right? Because the Bible is today the accounts of men. It's not the true words of Jesus. There may be some quotes from Jesus in it. Like this is a red line Bible, right? So according to Christians, this red is Jesus' words. But if you look at most of the New Testament, it's not red, right?
So
it's
the
mostly
red is specifically Jesus.
according to the Christians, yeah. So like for example here, this is red. So I mean according to Christians, it says, but of that day and hour, meaning Jesus' return, no one knows, not even the angels in heaven, nor the Son, but only the Father. Right? So Jesus didn't know when his return would be. Only the God above.
Okay.
So how could he be God, right? When you look at son in the Bible, you see many people called sons of God, right? This is in the Old Testament, in Genesis. It says the sons of God saw the daughters of men. Now, Jews who understand the Bible, they will tell you this is either a reference to pious people. They were just called sons because of their endearment, or angels, but not literal sons.
Yeah.
Right? But the people who wrote the New Testament in their Greek pagan mindsets, they took it as literal. But if you look in the Bible, it says, Israel is my son, my firstborn.
Okay.
Now that doesn't mean like a literal son, right? Again, like just like I might tell somebody, hey, son, let me speak to you. But I don't mean they're literally my sons. It's just a term of endearment, right? So like I may walk up to somebody older and be like, Unc, let me speak to you. I don't mean like he's literally my uncle. I'm just being respectful. Here in the Old Testament,
you have to step out, but that was some.
All right, no problem, man. I appreciate it. You got a Quran.
Yeah.
If you have any questions, let me know.
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
Good conversation with you.
Yeah.